What's the meaning of BTEC? Tech. Tech.
Check. Check. BTEC stands for Business and Technology Education Council. It is a UK-based program that offers vocational qualifications in a range of subjects, including business, engineering, and health and social care. BTEC courses are designed to provide practical skills and knowledge that can be directly applied to the workplace, making them popular among students who want to gain hands-on experience and prepare themselves for a career. BTEC courses are available at different levels, from entry-level to higher education, and are recognized by a wide range of employers and educational institutions around the world. Graduates with BTEC qualifications can expect to have a good chance of finding employment in their chosen field.